All right, let's keep going. So you've already read your target. I can describe the butterfly life cycle. You know that today we're going to be talking more about the butterfly life cycle. We did a lot of work yesterday on exactly what that was and what it looked like. Today, it's your turn to describe it. And you're going to show this by writing a complete informational piece. You already watched me talk about the target, and you watched me show you how to access your assignment. You've clicked on one of these, and it brought you to Google Classroom. You then clicked on your assignment, and it brought you to your writing piece. We are now going to take this one little step at a time, and we're going to do it together. So I need you to have these 3 tabs I need you to have them open. You have your Google Form, Google Classroom, and our Google document. Okay? Again, you have your Google Form, Google Classroom, Google document. We are going to start with our topic sentence. Yes, when I'm done with this video, you're going to go do your topic sentence. They're going to be quick and concise. So here is my written piece, or here is my document, where I'm going to do my writing. All I have to do is click on the document, and it will pop me right to where I need to be. I want your writing underneath the picture. Now I need a topic sentence that catches my reader's attention and also tells what my writing will be about. Pizzas in space is an incredibly eye-catching opening, but it has nothing to do with the caterpillar and butterfly life cycle. Butterfly. So I need a topic sentence that gets my reader's attention and tells what I'm writing about. So I'm going to start with something pretty simple, like the butterfly life cycle is very interesting. Boom. That is a possible topic sentence. Butterfly life cycle is very interesting. Yes, this is true. Okay? Your topic sentence can have a lot more. It shouldn't have much less. You should at least have the butterfly life cycle, and it should be in a complete topic sentence. Okay? You're not done yet with this topic sentence. I'm going to ask that you take this topic sentence and you highlight this in green. That's right, you get to color it, but it has to be green. The butterfly life cycle is very interesting. It's highlighted in green. I am now done with my topic sentence on this page. I'm going to come back to my Google form. What is your topic sentence? The butterfly life cycle is very interesting. Again, that's my topic sentence. I'm interested to see what your topic sentence is. Okay? It can be similar, but if you have something else you want to include, that's great. Remember, it needs to include the butterfly life cycle to tell us what you're writing about, and it needs to be catchy. I want to keep reading this piece. If you just say, this is the butterfly life cycle, it works, but is there any way you can make that more catchy? All right, go ahead and do your topic sentence now.